Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Infinix Zero Ultra, and let me share with you how to enable the eye comfort mode on this device. So firstly, I'll show you how to customize this mode, and after that much faster access to this feature. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display and brightness. Now let's scroll down in order to find the option Eye Care, which is simply the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. So first of all, let's turn it on just by tapping on the switcher. And as you can see, the screen turns yellowish or even amber, and it is in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl and if you prefer to use your device at night, then this Eye Care option is the best for you. Of course, you can leave it like this, but we can also customize it. So just tap on it. And let's begin with the intensity of that feature. We can change it just by using the switcher. We can make it cooler just by going to the left, and much warmer just by going to the right. I'm pretty sure that you will not see it on the camera on the screen, but trust me, in real life it's almost orangish. So set it just like you want to, just like you prefer. You can custom the schedule also, so you don't have to manually turn it on or off. You can set it from sunset to sunrise, and your device will decide when the sunset and sunrise are, probably location based. Or you can custom the schedule, so you can pick the start time, for example, somewhere here, whatever, and the end time around 4 a.m. As you can see, the screen did not change, of course, because we are not between the start and the end time. It's up to you. I prefer this option. So basically, this is the whole customization of this feature, and if you'd like to have much faster access to it, then simply unroll the top bar and unroll it fully. And as you can see here, we've got the Eye Care. So of course it is turned on right now. In order to turn it off, just tap on it. And as you can see, the screen immediately turns back to its normal state. And the same situation if you want to turn it on. So basically that's all. This is how to enable the eye comfort mode in your Infinix Zero Ultra. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.